Welcome everybody to Carowinds Grand Carnival. I had to say it with that accent. But welcome everybody. So, hello Fury. It's very hot out. About 90 degrees today. Very humid. But yesterday I came to the park. I got a lot of rides on Fury. Got 9. But today we're mainly focused on Grand Carnival and seeing what there's to do. Probably gonna eat some good food, do some activities and games. But first, it's only 4 p.m. Grand Carnival starts at 5. So, I'm probably gonna get on Fury a few times or some other rides. But I just got around on Fury 3 to 5, only took an hour. Yeah, only took an hour. It's 5 o'clock though, so that means Grand Carnival begins. Out to the main. That we saw a few minutes ago. We have some food and games over by Intimidator. There's a lot of games, you have to pay for them. They're very classic style carnival games. There's some choice to them. You can see there's the Strongman. Some other stuff. There's like a pizza game. It's really cool. Just a lot of games. Here's where you get your tokens. Some games. But yeah, let's see how Intimidator is. Got off Intimidator. I got assigned to the middle, so it was absolutely forceless as crap. I guess it's fun. I don't know. It's still not worth a 15-minute wait. It's kind of trash. Definitely the worst beat in Hyper. All right, hello everybody. First food tasting of the day. These are pretzel bites. They are in Germany. They are by the main stage. They are to the right. One you're on the path going to Fury. There's some honey mustard with it and beer cheese. I'm not going to try it with that, but I'm just going to try it plain. So, here we go. First food tasting of the day. Wow. That is amazing. That is incredible food. Those are so good pretzel bites. Oh my mouth is so good. So that's a thumbs up. Definitely try pretzel bites when you're here. Food tasting 2. These are macarons, I don't know what to say. They are in France over by Nighthawk and Intimidator, right in the middle of them, to the left of the entrance. So we're gonna try one. Let's see what this is. It's a cookie, it looks to be, so. I like it. Has some good taste to it. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Definitely a thumbs up. I think the pretzel bites are a bit better, just because I like pretzels, but yeah, macarons were pretty good. Same place, we are back. This time we have hamburger sliders. So again, it's in France. I'm just doing Nighthawk and Intimidator. So we have these little fries. I don't know what they're called, but they're little fries. And then we have the burgers themselves. So we're gonna try the fries first. Very crunchy. Ooh, they have a good taste to them. I like them. And again, they come with the burger. Mini burger time. Oh wow. It's a lot juicier than the burgers I normally have. I don't know if I'm liking it or not though. It's very juicy. I'd say yeah, do it. The burgers are not my favorite, but the fries are really good also, so I would definitely say do it, but it's not the best. So I'm kind of full right now, so I think I'm gonna go ride some coasters and then come back to the tasting. Probably see a show, show you guys fireworks. One more ride on Fury. About a 30-minute wait, not bad. Great ride. I got assigned to row 2, but like, okay, it was a great ride anyways. I think I'm gonna move this up over Lightning Rod for my number 2. I don't know, I'll just have to think about it more. But the parade is starting in a few minutes, so we're gonna go head over there.
Disney parade. But yeah, it's pretty loud right now, so you might not hear me. But I'm gonna go
if it is, I'm probably gonna go over to Fury and get a ride. I'm gonna try to get last ride of the night tonight on Fury. But yeah, let's head over. Got off of Copperhead Strike. They were assigning seats again. They're assigning seats on like every ride tonight, but that does not matter. It was a good ride. Only waited 10 minutes. I think the parade cleared everyone out, and now they're in the front of the park. So that's good. Moving on to Fury, since it is about 8 o'clock, I gotta get my last ride of the night, so I might have to be waiting a bit. Literally outside the entrance just to get last ride of the night. But it's worth it for Laurent. I don't know how to say it. But, yeah, anyways, moving on. The Legend Furry 325. Okay, that's a bad one. But, speaking of bad puns, the sun is dropping by Drop Tower. Okay, I'm done. When Fury is an hour wait and you're waiting for last train of the night, of course you're at Hurler, right? Yeah, no, I just rode Hurler 3 times. I wish there was a Twisted Timbers here. I was just like mapping all the elements in my head thinking, oh my gosh, this used to be Twisted Timbers. Oh. Yeah, no. It's not bad, it's just not good. It's not rough, but it's just boring. 10 minutes until 9 o'clock straight, and I will be getting on for last ride of the night, hopefully. But I'm not gonna leave you guys empty-handed. I'm gonna do filming of fireworks. That will happen in about 15 to 20 minutes. I will be in queue line, but you guys will see the fireworks. So enjoy the fireworks. See you guys. I will do a little bit of update. Fury once again. 2 nights in a row. Epic. That was awesome though. Back row, left seat, magic seat again. I don't know why. It was a good ride. I don't know why it wasn't as good as yesterday's night rides, but I feel like it's not as dark. Even though looking up, it looks dark. It just doesn't feel as dark as yesterday. And I didn't get to stay on either. I don't know why, but they didn't let us stay on. They let other people stay on. I don't know. Nothing to complain about though. 3 rides on Fury, 3 rides on Hurler for some reason, 1 ride on Copperhead Strike, and then 1 ride on Intimidator, and that is going to be it for the day, guys. Thank you guys for watching so much. If you guys enjoyed, then it would really help me if you guys dropped a like and subscribed to the channel with notifications on. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys and keep on riding. This is Zero G Coasters signing out.